you too can do telekinesis like this. What I did was charging my telekinetic powers, and I released them on one shock and one push. That means I was meditating, focusing my strength, and then with one release, I push the object away. How do you do this? Well, first of all, I would start with small objects, rolling a pen back and forth, maybe a side wheel, this needle and the paper on top. Spin that a little bit, and then you can move on to bigger objects. And then at some point you realize that you can't move bigger objects because they're too heavy. That's when you need to focusing your energies first, and then in one shock, one blast, you release it. You do that by, of course, doing telekinesis on the object you're focusing. You're focusing on the object, but then instead of trying to move it, try to hold it back as long as you can. And then, when it's time, when you feel the full tension, then you release it. And then you can push an object like this away, like this toilet paper roll, those paper tissues. Okay? And that way you can move very heavy and big objects. Maybe even a table or a chair. If you want me to move a chair or a table in the next video, just let me know in the comments below. But really, you can move any object. Of course, when it gets very heavy, let's say a car or a house, that's not that easy anymore. But anyways, you can do that too. So all you have to do is focusing on the object, imagine how you have this telekinetic ball, and then with one blast you should push it away. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.